Hi and hello to everyone. Today we going to watch the interior design term to know, as a interior designer. So without any further ado, let's start with GETSTARDESIGN. The first term we going to see is antique. Decorative elements that are 100 years or older. Accent. Home accessories and decorative accents add spice and color to your space, giving you a chance to show off your unique personality and style. Ambient. A space that utilizes inherent environmental conditions. Bohemian. A decorative style featuring mismatched furniture and assorted patterns. Contemporary. Contemporary style encompasses a range of styles developed in the latter half of the 20th century. Pieces feature softened and rounded lines as opposed to the stark lines seen in modern design. Interiors contain neutral elements and bold color, and they focus on the basics of line, shape and form. Curate. Design that is thought out, and sometimes drawn from history. Contrast. A decorative style that utilizes differing tones, surfaces or textures. Collected. Spaces that are decorated with unique pieces acquired over time. Clean. A pared-down minimalistic style without clutter or frills. Focal point. An item that draws the viewer's eye or generates interest. Harmony. Harmony is the sense that all of the elements of your design fit together. Unity refers to the repetition of particular elements throughout your design, whether they are colors, shapes or materials, to pull the look together. LED. Adding interest through levels of various element. Moody. A style that incorporates drag layer and mixed textures. Monochrome. A color scheme built around one color or values of one tone. Neutral. Neutrals such as beige, ivory, taupe, black, gray and shades of white appear to be without color. Personality. Personality is the mysterious force that attracts us to certain people and repels us from others. Retro. While not necessarily old, something that references style from the past. Sophisticated. A sophisticated room isn't only beautiful, it also makes you beautiful while you're in it. It's a place where you feel chic. Tailored. An element that has been customized for the space. Tinted. Variations of a single color mixed with white. Upscale. Luxury design is an expression of self as much as an exercise in style or comfort. Vintage. Design elements that are between 10 to 100 years old. So that's it for today. We are uploading more videos related about interior design. For that you just like the videos. If you want any videos related interior design, just comment below, we try to upload as soon as possible. And subscribe our channel to get notified each time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.